walking around, mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so high, they walking around, mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so high, they walking around.
Ebusia for ye mobibia akwa babiem ede mo bade Nayas adult show so. Na me kayo se dwumedia we ni buso ohwe ohwe e wo Kantanka TV yes streaming live Facebook Kantanka TV afesusu uri abomodian se obe follow ye e wo Instagram official Nayas 1 afi Facebook actress Nayas 1 YouTube Nayas 1 TV and YouTube Nayas 1 TV ebusia for and then so for fra ya sign a share beam and that ye ba bedin komo na ye nsa aka Dr. Ibrahim Oxman ene ye ne no e ba betwetwen komo na ye bisa ne say frequency and sex drive say ye ka sampa anase ye bisa ase e tresen ene ye nsa ka no ha ye ne ba betwetwen komo na ye bisa Dr. Ibrahim if I chop what to say
already adom me hoye
so I busy pa bedru hey way from
Enyagro bende
adwuma mo bro
and na cry na bio
aw
da ho ahomache we no da ho cry fro
fire
so sorry na oh yeah it me fa what we set aside a time for that.
Oh, okay.
It's me for ba adwuma nimra ne say obutu so cry na fro get up dress up then go and save life.
Oh
Yene our passion for the job we do it. We do it, yeah. That's
oh, okay, that's fine. Doctor, and ye bedi enkomo ye bisasa frequency and sex drive. Say ye kasa ampa na ye bisasa asiye etrese.
All right, me that say. Ye kasa frequency and sex drive. Frequency ni eye empredo do a eye say utimi ni ohukafo ehia.
Okay.
And I say utimi ni oba ehia. Yeah, so you share into the studies no for about let's say from 2017 airba no na ye share obema ana oba enka empredo do a eye say mutimi share in a week. Should be once in a week.
Okay.
Yeah, that is where it's starting from.
Okay.
And you're once in a week. But you can do it twice in a week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But not just almost once in a week, and I say a whole year, no, you'll be having like 54 intimacy time.
Okay.
Yeah, for the whole year. But you share a money being a money beer due to hormonal levels, no, the hormones are very high. A money be or per sex every day.
Okay.
Yeah. It's with that no say ukoshia sa oba no a having sex twice a day is not bad.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go up to even 3 times
a day.
No, a week.
Okay.
Yeah, we in a week no it should have been 1.
Or
but
twice.
Because of send 1 or twice but send oba the sex drive and the hormones no was true.
Okay.
Or baby or anytime beer or be nikunu hu be say or have sex.
Okay.
Whether they are in the kitchen, wherever they are, they want to have sex. Until with that no, and a bit me ama ebeba say. Obetimi aye no even twice in a week. Now twice in a week enso no. Say enso no dia, obetimi increase it to thrice.
Okay.
Yeah. But the drive the frequency of sex in there should be from 1.
Okay.
From 1. And now, idea I will musu say, une obani Asia no. The time for meeting no, it should be from 7 minutes to 13 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And we are adequate. Desirable one 10 minutes to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Ti ese be me be atimi last. Idea obeme be a oni oba be shia within 2 minutes na semen no abese ekono eno enye na ese onyina na na so.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So desirable sex time, no, it should be 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Yeah. And then after you call your name, you can say sex drive now, and you the mood in which the male or the female.
Okay.
Often says this time around, I say to me, Nikunu, and I say, for Asia. Now sex drive no ewo eniema bebre factors bebre a etimi ma mema bi no or in the year to no hu ni say eyenua. There kind you will be to say we have a stereotype and your gender and your hormones.
Okay.
Hormones no and this me feel say ese mini obeshia.
Okay.
And hormones in the hormones in the mountains so feel say
ese mini be mashia. Okay.
And the hormonal levels no say esotia wo say na libido no as that say form.
Okay.
But apart from those ones, there were other factors be say stress. Oni pa no ebi adwuma egunu so ne too high. Enti de bia no pressure e wo no so. Out of pressure no stress ebeba. Enti de bia oni time e ma no ho. E na adwuma wo kon so ebi kra adwuma wo kon no ekwa awa. We are from baby a what enti hours e say otimi nya etimi relax kra ansa na wakọ adwuma wo nya da hours. Enti stress beba no so and a tiredness.
Okay.
Be man so odi bia workaholic or man so wa bread until with that no ebetimi ama olibido be kon na say watenka eyenka odi be have sex no and you see other factor ebetimi ama na perform. Then when we go further yeah medical underlying conditions I be to say reduce hormonal levels no and this betimi ama oba na bema na wanye de woni atenka bia nanso so yesanso yakọ enim ye enuro ahodo nso so a when you come into allopathic or conventional medicine ye enuro bi nso so a wono mo a etimi ma sex drive no etiko whether you be male or female ye enuro bi to say antihypertensive medications I dey mamo no and this etimi ma ebeti akọ ebema ne crampo de bi okọ ni jetimi dum bema ne etimi sorry oh yeah this is the main side effect edum eja nti bo say oni ni kunu nti ono hu ni say eye ni nua bema yeah but ade ba ko so a esa ekọ into intimacy and I say the sex drive you know and say they don't have much good communication. There should be a time set aside for intimacy. Oh bema ne ba untimi ni oba ne nka bibia concerning sex life there's nothing like so mu no there's time for intimacy. No matter how busy you are you should get a time for intimacy. I hold a hold no and some amuka nyina e ade be twuma dwene aha de ye pa some doctor can say ehia wose bema se no matter senior why you busy a wona wo se se wo kopesika wo ye de nyina ese onya adaje e de mo ba no senior be ya wo ba no bia no wono soso benya enija na se feelings bi e de ama doctor wo ne hia me pa me ma ne bebre na otimi ka se na fridge ma ba ma bre ni ade enti enye makono mpo se me no be make love na se bia me no be bon komo. That's very wrong. Okay. I say when you have time for intimacy at that particular time they say if it's even an hour you talk about nothing. Umfa ejuma 7 mba, usika 7 mba. What you should talk about about the two of you. Ni nyina should also boil to say you want to have sex. Okay. There should be intimate, there should be love. There should be a way I will be espresso. Why kasa mo bo sa ankomo na no. I will say having sex in senses. No, the hormones are within you. So the more I'm about some intimacy na munya that intimacy relation no. Ebema bo say you feel it. Okay. From there no, the drive will be there. It will kwa ubetimi any uyiri ehia the best way. But without those things no, ebi eni ho. Ebi mo kra fere say or ne niru nete ho no mo say niru so no mo kra say ofere. And ontimi fa ne sakra nto niru kom. All these things fine. And at that time no, I said that time should also be there. No was set that time say do time say dear me name this is enkomo ayebebo. Ye bon komo Faya ho say the be bitimi ama ye ni ade because say aware ba on say aware ade a ema aware edimu no one is sex. And if love will grow, it depends on sexual intercourse. And if researchers are that's where it boils to. It was our real sex is denied. No, number one was obu enim, oban emu bema. There's infidelity. Obema no obani to me kasa only bema anyhow. Yeah. Okay. O to me kasa be or petro. Obebu enim tia. So and no one say there's going to be last aspect will be divorce because we say our because so sex plays a greater role in relationship. Yeah, and to say we deny your partner sex. So nipa ni bana so continue deny no so and so bit me jawa mama. Hey, I do. And so I can be sex plays a greater role. But I say, into emunu, you call into deeper. You bet me about business so I can say the fact that say or partner and timini wo and na say muntimi have intimacy na all the sex no. And you know say we desire our but and a religious aspect, but with the physical and the emotional aspect in the it's a great man timi gina so eja aware
okay
e mema no so timi gina so eja aware because enya mema nko ana they don't omuntimi and respond to sexual e man so be so uso no ma o si jame I say osuro
ban say doctor dia ya pa ne say wo ne o kunu ana o partner mo hye wie so wo ba no ho maaye ese be ma no o make sure say wakoma beto ye bo ani beji abema ne say me da kakra obehu ana ade ache na wo feelings no aka wo mu ete ko basa no side effect wo mu ana say
yeah it even pounds email because I was say oba a man be okra before obetimi afa ifunu chi say wadru orgasm is the last point, the climax point of having sex. That time no obi when you da orgasm na ontimi fa ifunu da
enti mani bebre ho no mabon say omone mema ne betina bi wa be 3 years 4 years kwa no muntimi nyam
yeah na oni problem dey ne ho but ontimi fa ifunu because no be bi obetimi afa ifunu ye say wadru orgasm na wo be man so ontimi afa na enuru ho no ti wa fa na enuru ho na say oh ha bi ni ti nyama nsem bebre ko so omuntimi ngo ni ade hormonal issues no be be okay but
ye be ko hye nyama ni nyina no na
sexual life na until sometimes the cases be where ba yetimi prescribe sex life no emamo say ebia in a daytime mo be share 3 times every day sa 7 days
na ka me ba be sakura say nti say ono partner ho say day mutimi share be 3-4 times and I impo 5 times a day ensusaso one ensusaso
no ensusaso bia enim sa ade ba ko ni a ha adwene kakra ne say o wono be ma no o say ono na semen free ni mo eba eti ne ekwa ni say pressures kakra be ba prostate gland no so yeah but ensusaso body bia certain ni ho sa
okay
Faya na omunsusu so yes I had
okay doctor enti doctor bibisa o say ono partner to ono ma how many times fane say a week how many times necessary mutimi make love eye good pa emfa insusu so boni bia emfa ma
yeah and from 1 to 2 twice in a week
okay
yeah twice in a week and it very good
because mo ye
brosa oh say near a woman say oba ni dey any problem but wo be man it boils to obey man because of the semen be a free mu be ba there are millions of sperm cells are ba be senko and as sperm cells on the semen so eyetic it will be our need sperm cells once and the semen here very light yes or low sperm count and as any money na sense na who say a free mu ba enyin su keke
okay
yeah moja until you lose it and you say oh after having a particular say uni obeshia that's the first time we lasted from 10 minutes free wa and just small journey na wako yeah you feel as if I say is it 100 meters na wako within some short some short seconds eti ukoso yesa na ene na ma no afi de bia pam sa na oba be weak yeah oba be weak and then that's the only side effect on that but man have no problem because then they are into receive it they are just receptacle nti ebasa emema in fact and then a hard twice in a week is okay it should have even preferably once but I say ja adena ko so do nti twice in a week
okay ebusia for aha ayede ye pa ye gina ha na ye twa ye ho abaye ba ye beto asese ya I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. I'm so happy watching everything for your movie be akwaba bim e de mobile Nayas adult show so na make I say jumedi o share e wo Kantanka TV yes streaming in Facebook live Kantanka TV na o share so e wo YouTube o modern a say obe share na wa subscribe ya my e wo Nayas 1 TV e wo YouTube afi so official Nayas 1 Instagram ene yensa aka Dr. Ibrahim in fact n'intrechre no e de paayi na wa wo hwe me ejidi se obefa ne yema bebri obesua ne yema bebri emema dodo na mo ne emma ne da na se mo ho ba na se yenye ho ma ya mutimi ka se china ana e kakra beto so ibe ho ana ade a che no mo haye nti ene yetumufo nti ye twaso doctor doctor e ho na yemi de pa o se mema no a wo mutimi bossa e ma no abro no e di nsunsuanso bebriba
yeah
ya wo be bi wo ho no ma one ho aba wutimi so wa enjoy na ni age
yeah
sa wo be mo ani age ne de lalai
yeah na ni nyina nso ye hye musi free ase no
okay
se munya time for intimacy na mo be bo ehon komo a munyina time ma se kra mo ko bed ne kra na che se obia the hormones are ready nti oba obia benya ne de ba mo hon komo ebi o ya na wato ahye ne so ebede na watimi enya
ba bi ho nso so a doctor wo bo ho nkomo woni o partner ne bo nkomo mo se mu romance mu ye bibia wo na so still be ma ne ho ba ya na so wa ye weak on pese wo de obi won koma ato ye mu e ma no dodo na complain
eno de enya ti me ma na yesa mu ye musu because mu yesa mo ha ma no eti won say
it's all yesa mpacho mi ntwa no wo yesa na so o ba o partner for wachi so onye bone o ana di ontime.
Okay, also there's one aspect. Also, religiously, why are bunny?
Okay.
Religiously, why are bunny?
Okay.
And also, this part of the world I hear one. And no, why bunny? But also, you're back into the emotional and the physical aspect. Now, I want to know to me because I hormones. It was the own to me and so as I was a basana or more tete. Oh yeah, it's me my almost a more crown almost so eti.
Why basa
na the mood I basa
and some fata bia and some na de bia na ye di masem
exactly they be able to to do that no indeed basa religiously you are wrong but physical and emotional aspects no any dey scientifically they say
because so month me mama ni nya except di oba mama ni age no otima mama ni je na makoma to me yem
but ade ba ko ewom ni say enti say they be choosing a partner no it should be idea you should be much concerned.
Okay.
Yeah. And you say
right
you feel say this man is rich, so I say me jump into this man's life. And as this guy is handsome, so I have to know.
Because yes, obi o no more back obi so ne be ma bi na be ma ne niska but otimi ne da.
Yeah.
E ma na ni je. Na koma to ne yem.
Exactly.
Because na na hu hia.
E hu hia pa. Because always say say mother to certain level krana energy ba abofra free mu ba you know there's happiness within the nkolana mo make you yeah nti na ne de ehu ya
okay
yeah because ya de a eno na nyankopon de ahya aware mu kina yeah
okay
then can say they say brother and sister they say ne ka yehu yehu a ye kasa yehu all the time but nyankopon say aware that's where we will make babies and the family will grow yeah nti our na de ehu ya but be ma bia untimi emma oyire ani enyin please you go back no matter how busy you are.
Okay.
Busy and you will call him for. At the end of the day, you still come back into the arms of your wife.
Yeah.
It's yes, say utiminya abotre. Now utimi satisfy we. Who send your old way out hoto na who son no akoda baby no. And it's not good. I say utimu we say utimi bisa are you okay?
Okay.
Yeah. No bandit you say yeah. What say no, I say you should try. Do more. Yeah.
Okay, doctor Edase. Doctor ye bisa say sa telephone sex ne sa ne ma no. Ene real one no. Ensunsuanso ben enewum. Say bia o partner bi ni wo nchen ana say bisa na tem bia no pese wo ne ye telephone sex ne ade na nipa no wo wo nchen. Fa ne say mo ye telephone sex ne more. E chen say wo nchen no. I mean eno no. Inim say they make what here.
Yeah, in fact, okay, say telephone sex no, I have mema no. Oh yeah,
I have mema, but I have man.
The only aspect of when say they can suffer from infection because of you holding in session.
Okay.
But a mema ni there, I have mema the power because at that time no was a bema say only oba Asia. There's time for excitement. Eba that excitement in eba it shouldn't any say eba. Now woman would know outside. It should be in there.
Okay.
There's going to be muscles, contraction of the muscles. So I have too for you to get the for say ubema semen beba abese. And this how you on a dry note. You are endangering your prostate gland.
Okay.
It's very dangerous. So what's the later crana or feeling some heat be our urethra no move be or Johnson fan. Yeah, or Johnson feeling much heat. That's
there's
there's much pressure on the prostate gland. That's it is inflammation it is now pounding pressure on the urethra.
Okay.
It is sad telephone sex man both a man and women it's not yeah because obano didn't sabasha obenya infection.
Okay.
Yeah. And a bear man so sad now and so benya obenya pressure the prostate gland so in fact more any China umbra and you know say Ufisa untimi akwantintin aware na hu yen o. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the truth.
Okay.
Because adebako yani say yeah sorry say no. Yeah sorry say no. Now we were having some kind of media bia na make sure say I know very well say that distance issue. I will easily forget about you because I don't have time.
Okay.
And see, I always want my partner to be close to me.
Okay.
And minim say that time no, me need time I me dey tena say akoko ye me sua ade me tu kwan kwa me ye we no. Man how be a. Ti minim say I am settled. Okay. Now I need a partner. Ti esa partner na ba me che me need tena say me tu kwan kwa we travel together.
Okay.
Yeah. Na just nti batu ka say oba ade ba ko hard Ghanaians when your problem. Ya worry oba tena ha. Na be man no United States. Be man no for 15 years. Owomua no about once no. That's not a marriage.
Okay, now doctor, sir 1 year, 2 years. Our reality say be man it ha oba net ya 1 year ni 2 years. So ben any womb. In
fact, distance marriage no problem. What was it? Sir intimacy a year kai. E wo emra etimi ba at any point in time oba dey make me feel it for you. Deal with that no and then you are punishing the male or the female. Also bet me na dey wo mu say bi ono no hwa no. Ono dey
say ya no nya bi but so ntimi nya bi.
And I say see I dey equal right. Oh bi ono ye bi onso ono say bi.
Okay, doctor, but now we say emred do safe and they say how many years and na oba no whatna se na onye sex and afa so make it lava obetimi enye nsunsuanso ma na be ma no so
oh any dey oba etna se on say oba be ma mfa no honka no we virgin only problem but the moment oba breaking virginity no e dey konanim no whatna se 1 year na oni be ma e share e nsunsuanso pa
hey
oh yeah
I can see
same mood no ni mood craft me e basa
okay
yeah they be inside or ni munu or eniema bebra e koso within her nti say oh you virgin there no problem but when you breaking virginity ni there 1 year enye eni so betna say 1 year wabra ni kunu enka no
okay nti oba no na enye mana na say be ma no e na enye
oba no na enye man but mema dey any much problem on that be ma dey no only how but oba no e ma ne how
o say mema no bibre obi obeka say bi a doctor only how say bi a bibi owo no onya bi di enye ne saw say onya bi ni crowd na 1 year eno nsunsuanso bi o e ma be ma no
and nsunsuanso bi eni
okay but oba ne
die yeah because as a son we don't say hormones and I say a man the hormones differ. Hey, the hormones differ.
Yeah.
Mono the way a multimi arise faster than a mema.
A mema. Okay.
Yeah. Bema bet me atna say no zero in the mind. So my zero in mind I don't want to do this. Oh yeah, okay. Though time wo hwa or fele for but obetimi but oba dey very difficult to. Very difficult. So okay omo a I say or say religion bintinu onu nya de obeware but na onye virgin. Until they have problems. They have problems. This is what goes on. Ti afi obo wan fe no sheshe baby, corner be baby no or ye money ti anyankopon no ye that's that's until you can't cheat nature.
Okay.
You can't cheat. But so a virgin no go through that religious aspect in India. Onim kra she doesn't know what that means. And now no be man in India. I don't know but when you break virginity in India oboa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a doctor. And maybe so me pacho how many months in so na oba esesa wotena say without sex em fansun swanso bi a emrew.
Wow. And they say there will me say okay. What breaking virginity no say oba say oh yeah exercise bi na say when we say obetimi ahye wo so within 3 months no enya wo hwe but every 3 4 5 6 months e no no one kasa you feel it who mo who say no eniema bi say the so ti e basa how onipadua no
eti onipadua no be hemfa na apart from say emma wo ne bi nsisi so no wan kasa no side effect fufuru bi ho ebitimi asan hawa no
hawa adwene mu pa
apart from no okay
hawa adwene mu yeah because so say e basa or say e ko adwene ni mu then stress will be there once there's stress no ubetimi enya even high blood pressure out of it.
Okay.
Yeah. That same stress no betimi ama unya even proper digestion. Sugar betimi arise out of the stress. Yeah. And you say e basa na sa ma no de bia na ni mood different. Like mentally no on say that okay.
Okay.
Say see na ni refi ade. Timi de ade to say na ni refi. Yeah, because index no aba form because bibi enko so ye. Because these are hormones. Where sex na just say or one or hormonal reactions.
It's a doctor obema di esetem bia no oyere e kan ho ben
yeah
e na wo ban so esetem bia no oben wukunu
yeah at least wo kwa adwuma nwumre bia ese mutimi hia efie
enwumre bia ese mutimi hia efie ene mpase nyina
yes sir.
Oh my goodness. Okay. But so ba o say me man me bre wikido wo no ma ne yere na dampa no so obey kwandra de yi pa so mpese doctor wo de be ma no
eno nye
na mada na ade achi me man me bro na adwendwi bi na pressure ne ade enti na me feel but wo ba no wo feel o be ma ne mfa ma wo ba be ma ne de opese 10 bia wo no ne be hia no wo de ma no
eno enye ese mutena se na mukana entiase ye adwuma sisem
yes
esa uzisi oba na esa so wo ha oba no even emotionally o se oba no sa kra ebufuo bi wo num ntin akwala kra ya ade kituwa bi a otimi de ebufuo titi akwala no bad na sa ebufuo no so eba enye wo be man ko an san otimi san ko omo tem nyina yeah enti o say ade ba kwa ewom ni say odo a be ma benya oba benya edi ama no esan wo ma enti say we break that love no out afi wo kra wo ma no kra because odo a wonya de ma no free no mu tie mo fra no ka wonya de wonya odo bi a ema enti eba sex dia in fact ade a say ehwe bi mu ataking say normal no enye normal anything you say aware for dia
Eti doctor na yese wo hwa sa ne ma we a ekoso nyina no eno nso so eka ho nti na ma no dodo na wo mo wokun no no wo mutimi ye basabasa no
any dey 100% because eno ka ho especially wako worry or baby and the hormonal level near high na dey be at least o hear sex na untimi man even twice in a week no untimi man no definitely no you are sending the woman away. And obeko akoye sade don so
man bi so ha adwun doctor obebi won mo pese 10 bia woni be man timi 10 bia be man fa no dana na dwunu bia be man fa na komato ne yem
I say no ye hormonal level no
ye
high nti but no e ba ne obeye ni say o be man no ye say utimi develop strategy bi enye de bia na obeye de ubetimi ndo ehia but you can play with her. Still say obey the orgasm that kind of things kasa defe that kind of thing until say ni ho beti my dey esane no yeah now why free now ka say dey bia papa dia obey man ubewu
and doctor say na see kana how many minutes and kasa na say be ma utimi ekọ wo na yiri shia how many minutes
the adequate one from 7 minutes to 13 minutes.
Okay, from 7 minutes
to 13. But desirable one is 10 minutes to 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a bema bia at that time no obi obeti ma last 10 to 30 bia we no matter how any orgasm no we chi oba
na ho beba.
Yeah, no ho beba. No ho beba. Yeah. No ho beba. But 2 minutes in the and the
2 to 7 minutes in the shadam wa bebre. But 10 to 30 minutes.
10 to 30 minutes. Then from 7 to 13 minutes.
7 to 13
minutes, then 10 to 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. But 45 minutes to 1 hour no and also side effects.
Side effects because the basa organic crown fluid need to be dry up. Enti obetime nya cat e wona say enti cat no nya cat nso e wona say a ebetime apose with infection.
Okay.
Yeah, enti e basa na oba no na say be dry.
Okay.
Ne ye omo kono no mponko nro no say omo no say nro no mponko nro no.
Okay.
No oha oba no obepra no.
Okay.
Yeah, obepra no. Okay. In fact, easy.
Doctor, question we dey maybe sapa. Doctor, mo say me man bibiri na o ma de no mfiamfia nti ehye ewura ma na de ni ma nemu hrodo yesa emma ne bebre na enya feelings ena mema ne bebre so ho ma de ni ma odupa eno so ekomo a ebre saa ne ma mienu side effect bi wo saa ketewa ne kese ni mu ana ana ka esen ke nya ne medium ne nko a
emi say ne ho ni say de yesa obenya kese dan say obenya ketewa because say be ma no say owo sizable one esoma oba ne de ne elastic elastic nti e de ebebie ebetimi asitu to be ma ne size no but say esuade na wo ha oba no esuade wa ankasa ni oba ni hia just say wa ankasa wa be ma na ankasa esua it doesn't help you. You don't say the muscles should contract the walls say oba no wall no say e can obe ma no when you penetrate. It say can the obe ma na kra won take him you are just in there we are no ajunso eguna ko.
Okay.
Enti say ubenya ne kese say be yeketoa. Enti mema na omodi nso esusa no nso no. Eni de wo de ubeti wo de bra clinic ko ye bebo be yekese so that ubema because a man na omo wiase no.
Okay.
A man omo wiase especially Ghanaians. They omo pede so.
Omo pede
so. And on penny once so.
Hey, Asababa.
Eti who say wo dey ketewa na wo ye dey ene. Anything na on say nyama bebre cause o me won say oba ne be ma betimi awon kwala be say 4. Na nkwala ne nyina enye
one father. Okay.
This is what is going on. Yeah. And that's how mona de bia ma ye busy okwa 2 minutes na we okay well. Obeko any obema fofura ko hia no ne wa be hia 2 minutes na waka say ye oba. But you call into the DNA and enya oba. This is what is going on. Ti sama na omo wa say we ne ba no nya ne DNA ne ma one ne papa DNA ne ma che no. Enye se bia omo ne omo kunu no nhia o. Omo ne omo hia but time a mema no wo ma omo no eso anti no. Omo ko omo ba na one we hia. So you don't know. Obedem. Ti we dey 2 minutes ba obegene sa. But obebi obe satisfied no. Ti afi at the end of the day no na enkwala na enya wo ma.
Everything for you go so yesu ade enche bia ide dwumade no besi nti koso na ma wafidi no ena he ya doctor bibisa se se emema no so a omade ani mu oduru no sometimes eya na ewura ma na senso a eya na ha dwunu because obu ho no ma ne de no don sa no ne so nti ewura mu a obre iti ansana wo ba no akoma beto ye ma na be okay no na wa bra ansana ebru mu se mema no bibiri na ano ne so but e konfinfin ho no esu a ebi susu ho no ma esu wo chese wo ne beda kra na wo yem ehyehyw but ese wo je ne sasa na ma ne nyina no eboa
ade ba ko wo ho de se on se oba na se elastic enu de etimi bie.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti se be ma no hu se be ma no eso there's a way a way you can help yourself by using some fluids.
Okay.
Which may you be able to say a Vaseline which may dey afa ho a best slip akọ inside faster but there any say hu se be ma no eso eyesi de bia you play with the lady say ensuo be free na say aba and sana wait me in Asia so ni free na say banko ade fine and very slippery no matter the size ebeko it no say ya na o say be ma panyi bi no ni young lady bi no yeah utimi say yeah it is when they play another they use fluid it is easily entered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Doctor, your final word na ye bisa say Vaseline nesa oil nesa ne ma na mema no de fa omade no ho ansa na omo ne ma na da no ekokowura ma na side effect bi o ma na side effect bi no.
Yeah, okay, so Vaseline, baby, to say Vaseline. The reason why I have Vaseline is recommended. Vaseline no is less of any those chemicals, too much chemicals, no. And as I say, we use in couture. And also see another aspect. Okay. Natural, it's coming from the natural shea tree. Okay, but apart from that, no, other fluids there, I wouldn't recommend because if you are fragrance room, but fragrance na air chemical and another fragrance.
Okay.
And she said, "We use couture there, and cool, and it doesn't have any side effect as we call her. Other ones, must fluid, no, and anyway, yeah.
Everything for Dr. Ibrahim. One of the was say oba ana bema opese wo use bibi e wase a ana bema wo use bibi asrasra ho de a oba na se no enkuto ana vaseline apart from that on there on kan cho se bibi fufuro bia fa ko hye ho ene yesua ne ma bebre wa wo hwe me edien na wo sua e de free doctor but your final words in some ya kan nyina de wo hwe no so what ti bibi na what the year adwuma I mean what the year adwuma because what share ne ma bebre
adia be wo ma Ghanaians ne say mema no yenya time man yeah no matter how busy you are no yes say when you beje amana kwawie ya say efie de say ni gine efriba enti we are busy say kwanya time ema we e na yenso so no the fact say ye ne oba ni hia ye hutimi sane ye ne nkyere say oba ne ye okay enti we ni uyiri hia bia abomodin na bisa ne say
baby we okay
now so onye okay do more to get here okay say obey okay because oba woni ne da ne ho ento even or poison cry on fan ho
hey
oh yeah
okay
obetimi because abufuo bi wonu mu na won so wakọ ware na betena ho na waje license I want so ontimi nko baby e bio na won so ya 2 minutes na call baby enti say yenya time e ma ye we should set an intimacy time what time a wodi aba na nya fe na o file a wodi free office by nya o laptop nya o phone no those things should be show mu
okay
yes na woni o yere entenase na mo intimacy nkomo intimacy nkomo na mo bo na efa odo ho ma warrior ho relationship ho so that they bia no ahoto be dey ebeba na nyese de bia wo be man de obesisi oba na that way because ye member ye na tesisi ma na pa
okay
say yensu ade free sa na mo ni ntimi ema ya warrior and your relationship enye de enyina to the best yeah tie no na me wo ma Ghanaians nyina
okay Doctor Nyaminsha opa me pacho obetimi de telephone number atudwa my na o location baby a wo bia no ye hwehwe wa ye betimi enya ono bomodin ana yesere wani die mu a fatudwa emaye
okay my private clinic is located at Oyarifa High Tension. They call a Bri main road getting to Pediatric Lodge. Hona me wo free high free now could do Madina now bar from 2 kilometers away to Ayimesa towboat no yeah until obey U10 was specialized water company no about back to the high tension na me clinic no now over to me aframe me on 0262 556
that's share camera no Muhammad
over to me aframe me on 0262 556020 0262 556020 and condition be oko through be just call us we are ready you be sure am ready be ma ohu ato
amen Dr. Nyankopon enhira wo papa say ye to nsafre wo no unyamre ene odo ne adaje e de be support ye nyamhira papa ebusia entena ho ema yare bi ana wo feelings bi eni wudem entena ho ma se bio tafrache ene eme bi emma odofo bi emfiri wonsa bomodin a tutu America akohu Dr. Ibrahim ai na on show kama ebusia aha enambre no be makwan na yeja doctor kwan na ya to aso iti yitwa ho ye ba ye be to aso
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. I'm so happy watching
Ebusia for ye mobibia akwa babiem e de mobade na Nayas adult show so na me kai o se dwumade bebia wani guso a ohwe e Kantanka TV e na wani guso a ohwe ye streaming live e o Facebook ai ebusia yensa aka oyi ofia ye tonsa afre no awa ba be twerking no no se ba twerking mu dia o ye kinkon wom waje mu certificate na no ya krokoji bi eno nti no ye ntwa ye ni ye nkonkohwe oye na on my twerking mustyles na wa wo hwe me no hwe e na wukunu enya wate ai yenko ne yenko hwe
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes.